Welcome to our adventure along one of the most spectacular roads in the world, the Transfagarasan Highway in Romania. Known for its breathtaking views and thrilling curves, this road is a dream destination for travelers and driving enthusiasts alike. Hey everyone, Sorin here. Today we're exploring the Transfagarasan Highway, a road that stretches over 90 kilometers through the Carpathian Mountains, connecting Transylvania and Wallachia. Constructed in the early 1970s, the Transfagarasan was built as a strategic military route, but it's now famous for its stunning scenery and challenging driving conditions. The road reaches an altitude of over 2,000 meters, making it one of the highest paved roads in Romania. With its sharp hairpin turns, steep descents and long tunnels, driving on the Transfagarasan is not for the faint-hearted, but for those who seek adventure. It's an unforgettable experience. One of the best parts about traveling the Transfagarasan is the numerous viewpoints along the way. Each stop offers a unique perspective of the surrounding mountains and valleys. It's truly a photographer's paradise. Halfway along the highway, you'll find the stunning Bâlea Lake, a glacial lake that sits at the top of the Făgărașan Mountains. Nearby, you can also visit the breathtaking Bâlea Waterfall. These natural wonders make for perfect pit stops to relax and soak in the beauty of the Carpathians. Before you set off on your own Transfagarasan adventure, here are a few tips. Check the weather and road conditions, as the highway is often closed from late October to late June due to snow. Take your time. There's so much to see and enjoy along the way. Drive carefully, especially around the tight curves and steep sections. Bring a camera. You won't want to miss capturing these stunning views. Driving the Transfagarasan is more than just a journey. It's an experience that combines natural beauty, history, and adrenaline. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just looking for your next adventure, the Transfagarasan Highway should definitely be on your bucket list. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.